we are here at Cairo Beachview Park. We were here earlier last year for a fishing comp. We just come down for a fish, really. We like throwing out football gigs and spinning mates around because it's really heavily timbered. But one of the narrowest rams too, eh? Like, not much to it. Bit of a jackknife king myself on the reversing. We did come down here last night and throw some surf stills around because it was real still. The cicadas were like moving around, making lots of noise. Didn't get any bust ups, which is also not a good sign, but visibility is less than half a foot. That's not good. Uh oh, who knows? Get hooked.
Holy shit.
One fish?
I think so. I think this is long.
Oh God. Dude, what was it? Oh, that's a bit lighter.
Get out of the water. That,
where isn't it?
just right there.
Oh my God, please be a bass. Oh. Oh. Come on, bring him in the net. Nice.
That's so
It is a bit, hey? See, they're all just catfish.
It looked yellow. Oh, catfish.
Did I?
It's like, do all the things in Cobra.
Later. How much are they?
Oh, I can't even remember, like 30 bucks.
Man, what?
Is it good?
Didn't feel anything, man, and it didn't even come back. What a bad hit.
That would have to be in a fucking bass.
Oh, you'd think so.
I reckon it's a caddy.
You reckon?
Yeah. Called it.
Fuck yeah.
The old swim Mikey works, eh? For caddies. Oh yeah, baby.
Nice.
Filthy things, eh?
Oh, it's something.
Go hug again.
Oh!
How are they fucking missing that? Wow, I didn't even move that.
This isn't usually how I would like to end the video, but yeah, the video did lack a lot of footage. It was quite tough going the entire day. We anticipated that it was going to be quite dirty, and it was a lot dirtier than we thought. But that's the thing, like, if you don't go, you don't know. So we made the trek down there anyway. Yeah, like when it's not dirty, it fishes really well, like, because it's so much structure, and like you throw your football jigs and you can have like a lot of fun, catch heaps of fish using a variety of different techniques. But it just really didn't come together while we were there. It wasn't a failure, but like when we first got there and started throwing surface lures around, we did get a few hits and like, oh, these might be bass. And then when I finally hooked up and wound it in, yeah, we found out it was a catfish. That was pretty devastating. Anyways, as the day went on, we had a few questionable hits off the surface that were like, weren't catfish, they were more so toga. And then I actually hooked up on like a mid-50s toga, and it ran straight down between the forks of two trees and just snapped off instantly, so that was sick. I also missed that because the camera overheated, so love that. Yeah, we threw cranks, we threw ZX blades, we threw ice jigs, we threw spinnerbaits, football jigs, splash prawns, cicadas, pompadours, chatterbaits, jerkbaits, every bait you can think of pretty much. It was a bit disappointing, but I don't know. We did come across like probably 12 to 15 lungfish, which was pretty cool. And this one little bay, like they were just everywhere. I don't know what they're doing. They were all just all together. That was pretty cool. But that's just how it is. But sometimes, hey, like there's not much you can do. Even with the live scope, we couldn't get a bass to bite, which is pretty common when it's like everything's that dirty. Like everything from the fresh to the salt, like around here at the moment, is just all dirty. So it's going to be a while before all of that cleans up. But when it does, we're going to do a heap of sends down to like the coast and chase jacks and do a few Buxton and Burrum trips and go to Bundy and whatnot with a mate. Also, I'm going to be doing most of the QFFT fishing comps again this year with my mate Dylan. I'll be fishing out his boat most of the year again until I get a little live well set up in this thing. But so yeah, I'll be recording for most of them, and I'll do some little videos and updates and record the weigh-ins and publish some of those little videos this year throughout all the dams that they go to. We go to Waruma, Mulgara, Kania, Somerset, Bunduma, BP, just to name a few. Yeah, Mary, Tyro. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. But yeah, till next time, thanks legends.